if you want to convert your text upside down, so this video is just for you. Welcome back to our Learn in a Minute video series where we can learn about computer, internet, applications and much more in just a minute. So to convert your text upside down, open up your browser and go to this website called fliptext.org. I'll put this website link in the description box down below. Wait, we can also use this website on our smartphone. If you are using this on your mobile phone, it will show you some weird square boxes down here. But don't worry, when you copy and paste this problem disappears automatically. Now, type your text here and then copy your upside down text from here and paste it wherever you want. And guys, if this website does not work for you, so try this website called upsidedowntext.com, or you can try this fliptext.com. Both link will be in the description box down below. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.